Hi everyone, welcome to the first video of our SolidWorks beginners series. Today we are not just looking at tools, we are going to build our very first 3D mechanical part, a simple circular flange. Let's get started. First, open SolidWorks and click on New. Then select part and hit OK. Before we draw anything, look at the bottom right corner. Make sure your unit are set to millimeter gram second. This is the standard for most mechanical design. On the left side, you will see the feature manager. Select the front plane and click on the sketch icon. Now go to the sketch tab and pick the circle tool. Click once on the origin point. Drag your mouse and click again. To give this circle an specific size, select Smart Dimension. Click on the circle's edge and type 100 for 100 mm. Notice how the line turns from blue to black. This means our sketch is now fully defined. Now let's turn this 2D circle into a 3D plate. Go to the Features tab and click on Extruded Boss. In the depth setting, set the value to 10 mm and click the green check mark. There we go. Our base plate is ready. Finally, let's add the hole in the center. Click on the top flat face of your 3D model and select Sketch. Pick the circle tool again. Draw a smaller circle from the origin. And set the dimension to 50 mm. Now go to Features and select Extruded Cut. Under End Condition, select True All and click OK. You just create your first 3D part in SolidWorks. Don't forget to save your work. In the next video, we will learn how to add more details to this design. Please subscribe to SL.Tech. See you in the next one.